1 second. Just give me like 1 second. One more. Hey, Crelly.
You.
That was so much wetter than you wanted it to be. Like that was like. Holy shit, dude! That was leaky.
Oh no! I'm still chugging it. My eyes are watering. And then on my nose. I'm not having a good time right now, Crelly.
I see what you were doing. You were charging up for the Rick Sanchez, right? Like.
Oh, Morty, we gotta fix my fucking time machine. Morty.
I think you're Rick now. You just claimed steak over it, man. You're the better Rick.
I can't be Rick and Morty. That's the most sad thing.
No, I'll be Morty. Jeez, Rick.
Morty, I gotta we gotta go on an adventure, Morty. We gotta go in this portal and go on a fucking super fun adventure. We're gonna meet some aliens, Morty. We're gonna
That was good, actually. That was really good.
Holy shit, dude! Oh my god! I'm crying!
Oh, my stomach hurts! Oh, my stomach hurts!
Holy, that was a 10, dude! What the fuck? Rick's all yours, dude! I'm backing off! Holy shit!
That's the best burp I've ever done in my life.
That was so good! That was so good!
Thank you. Oh fuck, my stomach hurts, bro. My tummy hurts after that one. That was the biggest fucking burp I've ever fucking done in my life. Dude, a demon was in my stomach. No, I got it. Watch this. Do you ever chug Dr. Pepper? I would not recommend that. That'd be like on the top 10 list of things to not. No!
Yeah.
What's happening to you?
This is why I don't chug it. I'm gonna pee. I have to pee. Dr. Pepper's I'm gonna piss myself.
Holy shit! Holy shit, we all heard that, right, guys? Like, I'm not fucking crazy, right? Holy fucking shit! 2 10 out of 10s back to fucking back? Hello? I'm getting burp mogged. Dude, I was doing my little Rick Sanchez. I was on cloud 9. I was like, yeah, I got a nice little improv burp. She comes up here and fucking burp mogs and burp maxes all over me, dude. That shit was insane.